So I came into 2023 with an intentionality around being focused on truth. It's my word of the year as I'm working to be true to myself because wherever I go, there I am. And I want to be who I am wherever I am. Because I've noticed for me that it's so much easier to be who I am with my tribe, with those people who encourage and love all of me. But I consistently find that I struggle in certain situations with what I refer to as authoritarian men. And I know that that is a perception that I have created, but whatever it is, it's the truth. And where there is a power dynamic, I shrink. I resort back to dysfunctional patterns of wanting to be good, wanting to fit in, wanting not to be so much, wanting not to be too loud or to take up too much space. But in trying not to be so much, I have lost a part of myself. I've neglected a part of myself. And recently I was in this kind of situation talking to a man who's been a mentor to me, someone I respect immensely. And I was thanking him for the time we've gotten to spend together. And I called it life-giving because it was for me. But he laughed and said, wow, life-giving, in a roll your eyes kind of fashion, as if to say, well, that's a bit extreme, Andrea. And I felt that old shame emerge. Oh gosh, that was too much. I am too much. But here's the thing. That is who I am. And I stand by my expression because that's truly what I was feeling in that moment. So as I've been reflecting on this situation, I realize that my work is in not being afraid of how I'm feeling about something, trusting that because that's how I'm feeling. So much of the time I've pushed it down. I've tried to feel and be something else. And so now is the time to step into whatever it is I'm feeling because that is truth. I came across this Eartha Kitt quote recently that really resonated. She said, "My recipe for life is not being afraid of myself, afraid of what I think, or afraid of my opinions." I'm a yes for all of that. That's a big part of my work. Instead of wondering if it's an okay thing to say or think, respecting myself to know that it's what I say or think, and that is okay, regardless of anything else. That's okay. What a great way to take care of myself and ultimately each other.